Hey guys! Welcome back to the vlog! Today is super special kasi birthday ni Madam M. And of course, we're going all out para mapasaya siya. Pero hindi lang itong cake na to. Syempre, special nga kaya may twist. May isang taong very special na darating. We've been planning this for a few days na. And wala siyang ka-idea kung ano ang mangyayari ngayong special day niya. Pero nakikita naman natin na masaya siya and excited. At kitang-kita natin sa mukha niya na surprise talaga siya.
Ayan na. Let's go, let's go. See? Let's go.
At ito na nga yung ating surprise. Dumating na si Uncle fresh from Manila. After the big surprise, ang saya lang, kwentuhan, tawanan, and just enjoying each other's company. Hindi laging kompleto ang family, so every moment like this is something we really treasure. Kung napapanood mo to, call someone you love, or kung pwede, bisitahin mo sila. Life is short, kaya yung mga gantong moments, sila talaga yung pinaka-importante. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this special moment with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Kita-kits sa next vlog. Ingat and spread good vibes always.